today. What? Say it.
Today we are gonna make snow.
Snow with 2 ingredients, and apparently Aiden is going to help us. So you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
What
yet,
are?
but
Yup. Our 2 ingredients are conditioner and baking soda. That's
He
it.
got the gummy bear.
So let's get this stuff opened up and get started. Either way, I went to Dollar Tree to get these ingredients. It's cheaper there. So yeah, because we're going to play with it once and then it's going to go in the trash. But it'll be fun. Let's get started.
Bye-bye.
Ariana is pouring. Come on, pour. Alright, we have dumped the full bottle of conditioner. And like I said, I went and grabbed it from Dollar Tree because I am not going to waste my conditioner on this thing. And now we're going to pour the baking soda. Can you go ahead and pour the baking soda for me, Ariana?
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's going to take 1 or 2 containers, so let's see. It's all an experiment.
That's it.
And Aiden just wants to get to it. Little naughty kid. Okay, let's keep pouring. And then we'll... Let's grab our little spoon. There it is. Let's start mixing.
Guys, we made this with slime. And we mix it with the
Yeah, that's our slime spoon. Okay, let's keep mixing and then we'll see what it turns out to be.
It's the
Ta-da! And that is the end product. Ariana, was it fun making snow?
Yep.
You ready to have fun and play some more?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you going to make next?
A baby snowman.
A baby snowman.
And it's fun to make a baby snowman.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and make a baby snowman. But this is so much fun. A few tips: don't put the conditioner in first, put the baking soda first. We ended up running out of baking soda, so we had to put the project on hold until I got some more. So we were finally able to finish, and then you can add the conditioner and make it the consistency you want. But yeah, 2 ingredients, and it was lots of fun. And look, we built a snowman.
And it's gonna snow.
But it's not gonna snow in Texas. It's rare.
I'm pretending.
You're gonna pretend to snow? Oh yeah, that looks cool. That looks awesome. All right, say bye-bye to everyone. Can you say bye-bye to everyone?
Bye.
And say enjoy and have fun.
And you have fun.
Fly kissy. What kind of kissy is that? Proper kissy. Like, mwah. Silly girl. Bye-bye.
Bye.